Much. Magandang hapon po, Madam President, our Majority Leader, the ladies and gentlemen of the Senate. I rise today on a matter of personal and collective privilege to address a pressing issue of utmost national importance. For far too long, our Filipino people have been left uncertain, confused, deliberately kept in the dark regarding the true intentions behind the continuing and increasingly belligerent efforts to append the new Senate leadership and, worse, to amend the Constitution. The Filipino people deserve clarity. The Filipino people deserve honesty, and above all, the Filipino people deserve at least the truth. Madam President, today I will not rely solely on my own words. I will present before this chamber a short video containing documentation, footage, and statements directly connected to the ongoing efforts toward term extension and charter change. With your permission, therefore, may we now direct the technical team to play the video presentation.
Bakit nagpalit ng liderato sa Senado?
May I be allowed to humbly move to declare all seats vacant, Mr. President?
With 13 affirmative votes, 10 negative votes, and 1 abstention, the positions in all the positions in the Senate is hereby declared vacant.
Bakit ito nilusog? Bakit patuloy ang pananakot?
Talagang garabalan, obvious na obvious, iniisa-isa ang majority.
Bakit may panggigipit?
Pinakakasuhan ng Ombudsman si Senator Rotante Marcoleta ng plunder at indirect bribery.
Bakit may pambabaluktot ng kwento?
Nililito nila ang publiko. Ang kainan ay naganap alas 4 ng hapon. Ang barilan alas 7. Nagmamalaki nilang may nangangamusta. Si Camille Villar ang unang nag-update. Saka sila nagsiretline. Last convo, 4 p.m. Next chat, 10 p.m.
Bakit may demolition job? Bakit may pait? Bakit hindi matanggap? Napakaraming bakit. At narito ang mga sagot. Pero bago ang katotohanan, wasakin muna natin ang kasinungalingan.
I, Alan Peter Schramm Cayetano, having been elected to the position of Senate President,
Hindi nagpalit ng liderato para sa impeachment. Hindi totoo ang pinapakalat ng mga nabulaga.
Ito this time, medyo nagkabulagan. Kabulagan.
Ang impeachment ay labanan ng numero. Hindi ang mga Duterte aligned ang dapat mangamba, kundi ang mga sa umpisa pa lang ay may hatol na.
Ang sinasabi, sir, ng ibang mga kritiko, itong Senate leadership shake-up ay tungkol lang daw sa impeachment.
Lahat na i-connect. As I told you, may 12 kami. Si Bato is 13.